Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we were doing chapter 13, that is perimeter, area and volume. And till previous class we have finished with the concept of area, and today we are going to start with the concept of volume. Now if I talk about volume, area, I have told you that the space occupied by a two-dimensional figure, like you have your triangle, square and rectangle, these shapes. But volume is related to that three-dimensional shape as well as the space which is inside that particular shape. So here in this chapter we are going to find it out, volume of cube and cuboid. First of all, I am going to tell you what is the difference between cube and cuboid and how cube and cuboid is formed. See, cube is formed by adjoining three squares. By adjoining three squares, the particular cube is formed. So cube is formed by square and cuboid is formed by adjoining three rectangles. Now one more important thing, that as you all are aware that in a square all the three sides are of same length, because in a square all the four sides are same. So when this particular cube is formed, then the formula for finding volume of this. Now volume, if I tell you what is the volume of this solution, means I am talking about this full bottle. What is the space occupied by that and what is there inside that particular thing. So whenever I am asking about cube, what is the volume of that cube, I am asking about its length, breadth and height all. So in case of cube, all length, breadth and height will be same. But that is not there in the case of cuboid. Here we will be having one length, one breadth and one h. Means we will be having length L, breadth will be B and height will be h. Now it means the formula for finding volume is also different. So here will be the volume of a cube. So what will be the formula? Because all the three sides are of equal length, then the formula will become that side multiplied by side multiplied by side. And in case of cuboid, you will be having formula L into B into H. So this formula we have to remember. Volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid, that will be length into breadth into height. But here all the three lengths will be same. So we can do that L into L into L. Or sometime you will find it out that S into S into S. That will become the volume of a cube. So this you can write L into L into L or S into S into S. So if the length of a side will be L, so we can take it like this, or it will be side multiply by side multiply by side. So now children, what next we are going to see, as we have done in area, first of all we will see conversion of volume from one unit into another unit. First we will understand the conversion. After that we will come to this volume. See, volume is finding when a particular length will be multiplied 3 times. So that only you have to remember. Now one centimeter instead of centimeter square, it will become centimeter. This will become, if the length of the side will be 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So volume will become 1 centimeter, 1, 2, 3. That will become 3. So that will be your cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. We'll speak it like that. Now children, will see how to do conversion first, and after that this formula we are going to use in the exercise. So children, let's start how to use that formula. So here children, let's start with the conversion part. First of all, difference between the measures of the volume. Measures of the volume, if you have to find it out, 1 cubic meter in terms of centimeter. So you all are aware of it that in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. We have 100 centimeter. Now if I am talking about 1 cubic meter, means that will be multiplied 3 times, means 3 times 2 zeros will be added. Cubic centimeter. So what we are going to do, if you have been given with a question that convert 3 cubic meter into cubic centimeter, then what you are supposed to do it? You are going to write this relation, and after that, that 3 cubic meter will be multiplied by this particular 10 lakh, and then you can find out the answer. So here children, one basic concept which we have seen in that chapter of measurement, that what was that basic concept? That whenever you are converting from a bigger unit into a smaller unit, you are going to do multiply. Bigger to smaller unit, you are going to do multiply, and smaller to bigger, you are going to do divide. So here we will understand first by doing questions from example, and then we'll move to the exercise. Question number 1 is that is related to conversion only. That we will understand, and after that we will start with the next question in which you are supposed to find it out, volume. So children, let's start with example 1. This I am not going to erase it because I am going to use this example, using it in example 1, that convert what? Convert 0.5 cubic meter into cubic centimeter. Now what I have told you just now, that if you have been given with a bigger unit, then you are supposed to convert it into smaller unit. So what you will do, this conversion we are going to use it with what I will write it, 1 cubic meter is equals to 10 lakh cubic centimeter. It means now this 0.5 cubic meter, it means this 0.5 will multiplied by this 10 lakh, will multiply it by 10 lakh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Now we will be having one decimal place, so 1 0 will be taken by this decimal place, and then after 5 you are going to put 5 zeros, and the answer will be cubic meter. Cubic meter. So what do you understand in this question? Let's see this question once again. See, this conversion I have taken from that particular unit which you already knowing it. Like in 1 meter you have 100 centimeter, that you all are knowing. So when we are talking about cubic centimeter, then what we are doing, we were multiplying 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 3 times, and in this 100 will be multiplied thrice. So after that, we have got this relation, 1 cubic meter is equals to 10 lakh cubic centimeter. And then in example 1, that is your convert, in that you have been given with 0.5 cubic meter into cubic centimeter. Now 1 cubic meter is equals to 10 lakh cubic centimeter. So 0.5 cubic meter is equals to 0.5 is going to multiply it by 10 lakh. So this 5.5. So one decimal place is there. So one decimal place is taken by this 10, and rest of the 50 you are going to put after 5. So this is a part which is related to how we will convert a bigger unit into a smaller unit, in which you are supposed to do it multiplication. Now children, one question we are going to do it, that is related to your second method, that is, or second option, that convert a smaller unit into a bigger unit, and in that you are going to do division. So let's see that B part. B part is 7500 millimeter or cubic millimeter into cubic centimeter. Now millimeter is smaller than centimeter. So what I am going to do it? In 1 centimeter we have 10 millimeter. So in 1 cubic centimeter 10 will be multiplied thrice. So we'll write that 1 cubic centimeter is equals to 1000 cubic millimeter. It means 7500 cubic millimeter, which we are supposed to change it into cubic centimeter. So what we will do? This 7500 will be divided by 1000, and what I am getting, what will be the unit you will get, that is cubic centimeter. So 2 zeros will be cancelled, and this 0 is going to take 1 decimal place. So you will be getting answer 7.5 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. So that is your example 1, that is related to conversion. So what we have seen in this, we have seen 2 questions. One, that is conversion from a bigger unit into smaller unit, in which you are doing multiplication, and from smaller unit into bigger unit, where you are doing division. So that is one kind of a conversion question. And now children, I am going to take question from the exercise 13.4. I am going to take this conversion question first, and after that we'll move to the next question, that is how to find volume of a particular question. So first of all, example 13.3, question number 1. Exercise 13.4, that we are going to do it 13.4. So here the first question is, how many cubic centimeters are there in 1 cubic meter? Just now we have done 1 cubic meter is equals to 10 lakh cubic centimeter, because in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter, and when cubic will be added, then 1 is going to multiply 3 times. Similarly 100 is also going to multiply 3 times. So here you will write what is the answer of first one, how many cubic. Question 1 is, how many cubic centimeter are there in cubic meter? So what you are going to write here, you will write 1 cubic meter is equals to 10 lakh cubic centimeter. Now here you don't require to give any explanation of question. That we have already done, that in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. So that only we will be using here. So now question number 2. What is that question number 2? How many cubic decimeter, how many cubic decimeter are there in cubic meter? So again, now cubic meter is again a bigger unit, and in 1 meter we all are knowing that we have already done in measurement, milli, centi, decimeter. Deci means in 1 meter we have 10 decimeter. So in 1 cubic meter we will be having 1000 cubic decimeter, because 10 is going to multiply 3 times. So that is your question number 2. Question number 3. What is that question number 3? How many cubic millimeter are there in 1 cubic centimeter? So in 1 centimeter we all are aware that in 1 centimeter we will be having 10 millimeter. It means 10 is going to multiply 3 times. So 1 cubic centimeter is equals to 1000 cubic millimeter. So these first 3 questions of exercise that is related to your conversion, and these 3 questions are quite important. I am going to repeat it, and right now I am going to show it also how this number has came. See how many cubic centimeter are there in 1 cubic meter. So we all are knowing in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. It means when I am talking about cubic, then what I am going to do it? That I am going to multiply it thrice. This we all are aware of it, that in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. It means when I am talking about cubic, then this 1 is going to multiply it thrice, cubic meter, and this 100 is going to multiply 3 times. So when it is going to multiply 3 times, then obviously we are going to get this number 1 followed by 6 zeros. So that only we have this concept only we carry on in this question. In 1 cubic meter we have 10, 1 meter we have 10 decimeter. So if I am going to add cubic meter, this 10 is going to multiply 3 times, and that will become cubic decimeter. Fine. Similarly, next also in 1 centimeter we have 10 millimeter. So when we are talking about cubic, then 10 will be multiplied 3 times. So that is this explanation is not required in this question. The answer which I have written, this answer, I'll wait. You can take a screenshot and then you can complete it. This only you require to write down in your notebook. After this we'll start question number 4, that is related to your conversion. So let's start. I hope there is no doubt in this formula of conversion, means how many centimeter, how many millimeter are there in that and all. So that is clear to you all, and we'll start with question number 4, in which we will be having 3 parts related to conversion. Question number 4, convert. Question number 4, convert. Now convert, we will do question number 4. A part 0.25, A part, that is 0.25 cubic meter into cubic centimeter. What is first one? Convert 0.25 cubic meter into cubic centimeter. So what we are supposed to do? First of all, find the relation between cubic meter and cubic centimeter. So 1 cubic meter is equals to 10 lakh cubic centimeter. It means if you have been given with any number in cubic meter and you want to convert it into cubic centimeter, then what you are supposed to do it? You are supposed to do it multiplication. So cubic meter, so this 0.25 will be multiplied by this 10 lakh. 10 lakh means 2 decimal place, so 2 zeros will be cancelled with that by multiply by 2 decimal place. So you will be left with 25 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros at the back. Cubic centimeter is the unit which you have required and you have got. So what we have seen in this A part, 0.25 cubic meter into cubic centimeter. So we all are aware of it. 1 cubic meter is equals to 10 lakh cubic centimeter. And how we got it, that I have explained you just now, and I hope there is no doubt in that. So here 0.25 or 0.25 cubic meter is equals to 0.25, that will be multiplied by 10 lakh. 10 lakh means these 2 decimal place will be taken by these 2 zeros, and then 25 will be followed by only 4 zeros instead of 6 zeros. So that is your A part. Now children, we are going to move to B part. So let's do that B part and we'll try to understand what is given and how we are supposed to find out the answer. So let's start children. B part is what? B part is 95,000 cubic millimeter. B part is 95,000 cubic millimeter into cubic millimeter into cubic centimeter. So this is your question. It is already given in cubic millimeter and you have to convert it into bigger unit. So what you will do? You will write a relation. 1 cubic centimeter is equals to 1000 cubic millimeter. So this 95,000 cubic millimeter, it means from smaller to bigger unit. You are going from a smaller unit into a bigger unit. So what you will do? You are going to do division. Yes, that only I was telling you from the measurement chapter. So these 3 zeros will be cancelled and you will be left with 95 cubic centimeter. 95 cubic centimeter. In 1 cubic centimeter you will be having 1000 cubic millimeter. So you are supposed to go from a smaller unit into a bigger unit. So what you will do? You are going to do the division. So 95,000 will be divided by 1000 and 3 zeros will be cancelled with 3 zero and you will be left with this 95 cubic centimeter. So now children, will come to a C part of this question, and which is your last part of this conversion question. And hopefully by seeing this video, you all will be able to understand all these conversion part. So children, let's start C part also, and After that I am going to recapitulate whatever concept we have done today. So children, let's start with C part, that is 4,50,000 cubic centimeter. C part is 4,50,000 cubic centimeter into cubic meter. So first of all, very important thing, finding a relation between 1 cubic meter is equals to 10 lakh cubic centimeter. 10 lakh cubic centimeter, because in 1 meter we will be having 100 centimeter. So it means in 1 cubic meter we will be having 10 lakh cubic centimeter. So what is the next step? Now you are supposed to go from a smaller unit into bigger unit. From smaller to, whenever you are going from a smaller unit like cubic centimeter into cubic meter, smaller to bigger, you are going to do division. That will become 10 lakh. So these 4 zeros will be cancelled with these 4 0 1 2. So you will be getting 0.45 cubic meter. 0.45 cubic meter. So children, what we have seen here, first of all, bigger to smaller, that you are supposed to do it multiplication. Smaller to bigger, that is your division. Relation is very important. You are supposed to write relation between the unit which is given and whatever desired unit you required. Both the relation you are going to write it, and these two things, bigger to smaller multiply and smaller to bigger, you are going to do divide. These two important things you are going to write. In the answer you will remember to write the unit. Fine. That is again an important thing that is related to, in fact that is related to perimeter, area and volume all. Fine. Whenever you are finding volume of anything, or when you are converting from one unit into another, if you will not write a unit, nobody can get that answer, that what you are going to write it and what, in which unit you have converted. See, in this question in C part also, for 4,50,000 cubic centimeter is given, and that you are supposed to change it into cubic meter. Now you all are aware that centimeter is a smaller unit and cubic meter is a bigger unit. Now why I am taking here again and again name of meter and centimeter, but here you have been given with cubic centimeter and cubic meter. Better listen, the relation between these two will be based on that unit or that relation which we have already done in the chapter of measurement. Like when 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. So all these things that is related to that only. And this for 4,50,000 will be divided by 10 lakh, and that you will do the division and then you are going to write the answer. This is the mantra of conversion. If you will remember this, bigger to smaller and smaller to bigger, then half of the question is done. Then find a relation between the given two units, and this will help you to find it out that what we have to do with this relation, whether multiplication or division. Fine. These two things will help you a lot to find it out whether you are supposed to do multiplication or division. So children, with this we have completed first 4 questions of exercise 13.4. Hopefully you have understand the concept of volume, and tomorrow again we are going to find it out volume. Today we have completed conversion of volume and introduction of cube and cuboid also. So tomorrow we are going to continue with exercise 13.4, and here I am going to finish the class. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.